To see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, starting off, we are using the Okalan Earth Eyeshadow Palette from the Hush app, which is a great dupe for the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. And I'm going into the color Filter, and I'm just blending that into my crease with windshield wiper motions. I cannot stop staring at my brows. They look amazing. Like, they look the best they've ever looked. Y'all don't understand. Okay, so now I'm taking this shade in the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm placing that right underneath the first shade, and I'm gonna blend. It's really important to blend your shadows before you place another shadow down, so you won't get like a muddy look. Alright, I'm going into the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm dipping my brush into the shade Ivy, and I'm putting that kind of like above my crease, like right underneath those other two colors, and then I'm gonna blend. So I place the shade and then I blend it out. Blend, 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 honey, yes. Now I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and I'm placing that on the outer corners of my lid. And it's okay if you mess up, because we're going to cover that up with some concealer. And I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in 0 to kind of define, I guess, the black a little bit more, to get any places where I missed, because the jumbo pencil is pretty big. So this is just to get in like the crevices of the eyes. I guess. Okay, so now in that eyeshadow palette, I'm taking Boot. And this palette is really, really, really good. Like, it's very pigmented, and it was only $10. And I'm just placing that over top where I placed the black eyeliner. Just making sure I cover the whole area up. Just really getting into like the crease, like underneath the crease right on the eyelid, just making sure it's very opaque. And that's one reason why I put the eyeliner down first. Just making sure it looks really nice. Okay, so now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige, and we're going to start off this halo. I'm just placing that in the middle of my eye, and then I'm going to place some concealer over top of my crease. I'm just going to blend that out really good. Okay, so now I'm taking this beautiful dual chromatic shade in the Magic Palette called Faso, and I'm placing that over top where I placed the concealer on my lid. This color is so beautiful, like, oh my goodness. Now, okay, so this part, I'm putting the black on again because I totally forgot I already did it. I know, like, I don't know what my mind does sometimes, but I totally forgot. I was like looking in the mirror, I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to put the black on, but I just did like 5 seconds ago. I don't know. But now I'm taking the shade Pigeon in that Okalan Earth eyeshadow palette, and I'm placing that in between the outer shade and the middle shade to kind of sandwich the shades together and really give it this really like give the look some dimension. And I'm taking Queen and Strobe in the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight Palette in, ooh, that is a mouthful, and I'm going to place that over top where I placed the shade in the middle, just to give it some more Now I'm taking the Urban Decay eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline. Give it like a very dark look. I'm taking Iffy again, and I'm placing that underneath my eye. I'm taking some concealer and putting that in the middle, and then I'm going to put these same shades in the Black Light Highlighting Palette in the middle as well. So it looks the same on the top as it does on the bottom. So now I'm going to take the NYX Pigment in Twinkle Twinkle and Peacock, and the NYX Glitter in Silver, taking the NYX Mixing Medium and the NYX Glitter Primer. You see a theme going on here. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes to give it some pizzazz. And I was supposed to put the glitter primer there, but I think I put the mixing medium. I don't know, I'm not sure, but either way it's still stuck on. So yeah, I just mixed those three things together in a mixing palette, and I just put that in my inner corners with a slanted eyeliner brush. Alrighty, so this is how it looks now, and this is the finished look with lashes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all want to do any other looks. I really enjoyed this look. Very sure to tune into my next video. Bye.